Now, I saw this in TikTok, but I wasn't gonna pay what they paid in TikTok, $25 or something. You got the multiple scenes, rear view mirror, black seat, video stand, kitchen stand, desktop, whatever. In TikTok, if you follow those links, I think it costs like $25. I didn't get paid that. I paid a little under $20, like around 15 to 17, I think. But this is the same thing, same company, everything. We noticed, same thing. Here's the stand, the exact same thing. I paid less than what they're showing you. I just bought it at Amazon. Now I'll show you I'm gonna put this in the car, or I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put it, but I'm gonna show you in a little bit. This thing.
Damn.
You have to press the button for these to load.
No, porque se mueve.
There you have it, all set up. Till next time, peace out.